You have two choices. Either you subscribe to the idea that fairer tones are beautiful and start a 7-item beauty care routine that ruins your skin and your bank account, or you learn just how nutrition can transform your skin naturally and sustainably. The idea of fairness is such a pressure point in our lives. I mean, if you look at the matrimonial segments of newspapers, this word just repeats again and again and again. I mean, we grew up hearing
चाय पीने से काले हो जाते हैं, चाय पीने से काले हो जाते हैं.
Or worse still, we grew up around characters called Kalia. Our species, who is so capable of inventing and constructing and creating all of this, tried to eat chalk.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
That's right, chalk, in hopes for whiter skin. And this desire for fairness, let me tell you, it isn't new or restricted to just India. In the early 20th century Europe, poison was skincare. You know arsenic, right? Needless to say, it's a toxic compound and its ingestion has caused seizures, blindness and even death through the course of time. So naturally, arsenic complexion wafers were sold to young adults as a means to get paler skin. Because who needs red blood cells, right? So we were stuck with half the puzzle. We knew that food influenced our skin, but we just couldn't figure out how. And bam! In 1912, the main piece was discovered: vitamins. One thing that you should know is that your skin is extremely complex. It's a protective barrier against UV radiation, it regulates body temperature, it synthesizes vitamin D, and it is a sensory organ made up of multiple layers, which are constantly being shed and replaced. All this requires energy and a lot of nutrients. We figured out that antioxidants, omega-3 fats, and vitamins like C, E, and K help in the heavy lifting. Your skin needs them to regenerate, maintain, and produce collagen. More on that later. But first, chill. It's really simple. Just integrate some berries, some citrus fruits, avocados in your diet for vitamins and antioxidants. And focus on fish for omega-3 fats, or try chia seeds as an alternative. Put some nuts and leafy greens in the mix and that's it. Puzzle solved. Eat foods rich in these nutrients and you're set, right? Not quite. Two problems. First, while wanting fairer skin is not necessarily bad, thinking that fairer skin tones are more beautiful or are superior is entirely incorrect. Healthy skin is beautiful skin. That's it. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise, okay?
लाइट कम नहीं है क्या? चेहरा एकदम ही काला आ रहा है ना उसका.
Second, your skin is so much more complex than you assume. Let's introduce the most abundant protein in your body: collagen. It is a component of connective tissues like muscles, ligaments, and your skin. This protein specifically strengthens your skin and maintains its elasticity and hydration. Collagen might just be the last piece of this puzzle, but also the most fragile. Bad diets, smoking, UV exposure, or simply just aging lowers collagen production, and the lack of it can cause your skin to appear wrinkled, sagging, and dry. And in some cases, you may notice hollowing in and around your eyes. But can you fix this? Yes. But what's tricky is getting the right nutrition. Remember, collagen is a protein. A protein-rich diet is a good way to go, but to ensure that even with age, collagen is naturally produced in your skin, collagen supplements are the best bet when paired with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. And mind you, the impact on your skin is going to be greater than any other skincare product in the market. Check out the description for what changes you should make to your diet and the necessary skincare to follow. And also, consider subscribing.